Donkey's barbecue. Good eats and satisfying meats.
Hey y'all, so today's Mother's Day. Mom's actually out with the kids, but this is what we got going. New York strips. Oh, look at those potatoes, all halved. Garlic, rosemary. I'm gonna put some fresh rosemary on the top. Those are gonna go in the oven, 425 for about 45 minutes. Saute up some mushrooms, some onion, get that all nice and gooey and yummy. I love sauteed onions, do them kind of medium-low heat for quite a long time, and really caramelize the heck out of them. I got shiitakes, I got baby bellas, and this is radicchio. Basically the same kind of herb seasoning. I got a little bit of basil, rosemary in here, a little bit of white pepper, olive oil, garlic. So that is radicchio. That's actually going to go over the charcoal, and I'm going to char the heck out of that. It shrinks it all up and shrivels it a bit, but it's going to be charred. I'm going to put it right on the charcoal. I'm going to reverse sear these. So bring these. We all like rare steaks. I want my finish temp to be 124, 125, no more. I prefer mine at 115. A lot of people say, oh, it's still moving. Yeah, I know. That's the way I like it. So basically these are going to go on the smoker. I'm going to fire up the Grand Champ today. Sit around 200 or so, very low, for maybe an hour. I'll watch that. These are going to be at about 110, and I'm going to pull them off, let them rest for a couple of minutes, and then I'm going to take, and I got all my charcoal out there. I'm going to light that charcoal. I'm going to go to the old-fashioned Weber kettle, and I'm going to just like two chimneys in that thing and just get that screaming hot. I mean, screaming hot, 1500 degrees, you know, on the flames, 1400. And then I'm gonna do these with probably even put a little bit of butter on there and just char the heck out of them, sear them real good. I like a little bit of what they call black and blue. My wife likes them rare, 125, 127. Kids all like rare, 125. So that's what we're doing. I'm probably not gonna get a lot of videos on how I'm doing this today because I got to spend time with the wife. Like I said, she's out with the kids right now. I'm just prepping everything. It's 5 o'clock. We're supposed to eat around 6:30. I got to cut up the rest of my onions. I'm going to do that on a Blackstone. So we are using the smoker. And, you know, I might just use the Traeger because I'm running out of time. So we're going to use the Traeger. I'm going to use a Blackstone for the onions. For the mushrooms, I'll do on the Blackstone. The Weber Kettle for the radicchio. And for searing these beautiful prime New York strips. These are just absolutely beautiful pieces of meat. And I'm actually going to probably use the oven for these about 425 for an hour, 40 minutes, and I'll check them. I like them crispy, crunchy on the outside, rather than and kind of mushy in the middle. So I'm going to go a little higher at 425. Then you can go anywhere from 350 on up. I like it about 425. Throw that in the oven. You can just see I got a ton of olive oil on there, a ton of garlic on there. Like I said, there's a little bit of rosemary, some other herbs in there, but I got some fresh rosemary that they're bringing home. The kids are. I'm going to sprinkle that on there. I'm going to actually get this preheated right now. As soon as they get home, I'm going to put that fresh rosemary on there. But I did put a little in and let that olive oil, it was about a half cup of olive oil. I let that olive oil sit in the garlic, rosemary, a couple other little herbs in there, salt, pepper. I got some white pepper. It's absolutely gorgeous. Use that white pepper. Let me see if I can find it. So we got this ground white pepper. This actually came from St. Louis. Really good stuff. Old Town Spices. So I'll see if I can put a link to that. That white pepper is amazing. I use that in my rub on the steak as well. So again, it's all going down. I'm going to try and get some pictures of it and post something, but I'm going to be cooking here, get the oven going, the Traeger going, the charcoal going, the Blackstone going. I got a lot to do, a little bit of time, so I'm not going to do a ton of this is what I'm doing right now videos, but I'm going to try and show you the after results, at least get some photos of these things. So hopefully the wife and the mom enjoys her Mother's Day dinner. All right, have a good one. Oh, happy Mom's Day to everybody out there that's a mom. I don't think I have a whole lot of moms watching, but happy Mother's Day. All right, we got about 30 minutes, 25 minutes. Got the charcoal going, got the Weber out, got the Traeger going. Yeah, those are coming up. Got the Blackstone going, getting there. I don't have the keezer going. Got all my empty kegs. All right, now that I made you dizzy, all right, we're getting there. We're getting there. So we're gonna get this all put in here in just a minute. Getting nice and hot. Yum yum. We're gonna char the radicchio. I told you, really hot grill. Really hot. That's what I'm gonna sear my steaks on in just a minute. But I'm gonna char this radicchio up. Lose a little bit of it, I think, through the grates, but hopefully the rest is good. All right, that looks good. Those look good. We're sitting about 110, 115. Hang on, I'm gonna try and do this one-handed. Let's see. Let's go to the big one. Oh, a little over for me, 19 and a half. So there we go. Throw them on here, quick sear. And then inside, rest a few minutes while we set the table. We're good to go.